Hello everyone, I am Orko. You are watching TechnoBroSA, and in today's video, I am going to talk about Infinix latest upcoming smartphone, that is the Infinix 08 and 81. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Subscribe to TechnoBroSA and don't forget that bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a video.
So Infinix after so long has decided to launch a premium budget smartphone in India, and according to its specifications it is going to be a killer smartphone. So let's talk about the specifications of the Infinix 08. Talking about its display, it is going to have 6.7 inches of screen size with 90 Hz refresh rate and with 180 Hz touch sampling rate, along with a dual punch hole display. So now talking about its processor, it is going to have MediaTek Helio G90T processor, which is a gaming processor and which will give you a premium gaming experience. And not only that, its base variant will have 8 GB of RAM with 128 GB of storage support. Talking about its battery, it will be having 4500 mAh of battery with quick charge support and with 33 watt fast charger in the box. Now talking about its camera, it will be having a quad camera setup in the rear side with 64 MP of primary lens, 8 MP of ultra wide lens and 5 MP of macro lens and 2 MP depth sensor. And in the front it will be having a dual selfie camera with 14 MP primary lens and 8 MP ultra wide lens. Talking about the two most important things, that is the launch date and the price of this product, it is going to be launched in the month of September, and as per the rumored price, it is the base variant, that is the 8 GB of RAM with 128 GB of storage support, will be priced somewhere around 20,000 rupees, which is quite impressive because from a company like Infinix manufacturing such a smartphone with killer specs and actually competing with other premium budget smartphone brands, it is quite impressive. And in this price range, it will actually be a competition to other smartphone brands like Realme, Redmi and all that. And now talking about the another smartphone to be launched by that is the Infinix 08i. So this smartphone is expected to be priced around 15,000 rupees. And this will look similar to that of the Infinix 08 but cut down on certain specs. The specs that are being cut down are not revealed yet, but as soon as it is revealed I will inform you guys, so stay updated. So I think that this smartphone will be a killer smartphone if it is priced around 20,000 rupees, and it will be a competition to the other smartphone brands like Realme, Redmi, Samsung, the mid-range smartphones by Samsung, all this. So do you like this smartphone? Do comment down in the comment section below, and if you like this video, do drop a big fat thumbs up, and if you are new here, do subscribe to our channel to never miss any new daily tech update. So this was it for today. See you in the next video. Bye.